Hello everybody, I want to presentation about alchemy. Vocabulary. Predecessor is pendahulu. Premise is alasan. Philosophical is philosophy. Authentic is asli. Monk is biarawan. Various is berbagai. Imperfection is cacat. Transmulation is perubahan. Resorted is memilih. Attracted is menarik. Mystical is gaib. Compared is membandingkan. Distant is nyata. Discovered is menemukan. Centuries is berabad-abad. Main idea paragraph 1 is definition about alchemy. Main idea paragraph 2 is the figures discussed about alchemy. Main idea paragraph 3 is difference of opinion about alchemy. Main idea paragraph 4 is alchemy experiment in the laboratory. Definition about alchemy. Although its purpose and techniques were often magical, alchemy was in many ways the predecessor of the modern science of chemistry. The fundamental premise of the alchemy derived from the base philosophical dogma and scientific practice of the time, and the majority of educated persons between 1400 and 1600 believed that alchemy had great merit. The figures discuss about alchemy. The earliest authentic work on European alchemy are those of the English monk Roger Bacon and the German philosopher Saint Albertus Magnus. In their treatise they maintained that gold was the perfect metal and that inferior metals such as lead and mercury were removed by various degrees of imperfection from gold. They further asserted that this base metal could be transmuted to gold by blending them with a substance more perfect than gold. This elusive substance was referred to as the philosopher's stone. The process was called transmutation. Difference of opinion about alchemy. Most of the early alchemists were artisans who were accustomed to keeping truth secret and often resorted to cryptic terminology to record the progress of their work. The term sun was used for gold, moon for silver, and the 5 known planes for the base metal. This conversion of the substituting symbolic language attracted some musical philosophers who compared the search for the perfect metal with the struggle of humankind for the perfection of the soul. These philosophers began to use the artisan terms in the musical literature that they produced. Thus, by the 14th century, alchemy had developed to distinct group of practitioners: the laboratory alchemists and the literary alchemy. Both groups of alchemy continued to work throughout the history of alchemy, but of course, it is the literary alchemy who was more likely to produce a written record. Therefore, much of that is known about the science of alchemy is derived from philosophers rather than from the alchemists who elaborate in the laboratories. Alchemy experiment in the laboratory. Despite centuries of experimentation, laboratory alchemists failed to produce gold from other materials. However, they gained wide knowledge of chemical substances, discovered chemical properties, and invented many of the tools and techniques that are used by chemists today. Many laboratory alchemists earnestly devote themselves to the scientific discovery of the compounds and reactions, and therefore must be considered the legitimate forefathers of the modern chemistry. They continue to call themselves alchemists, but they were become true chemists. Conclusion: they are two scientists who discovered the alchemy, and they search for the truth of any such pictures through laboratory experiment and results which contain about human life and the universe. Thank you for watching my presentation.